Hi everyone, it's Melissa here, and I am going to share with you how to record your screen doing a screencast, or record just your webcam, or record a combination of the two layered on top of each other so you can show a website or a document and also your face and expression at the same time so we can have a great connection with our learners. I'm going to use WeVideo, so since I'm recording in WeVideo right now, I need to show you how to get there. The good news is that as a district, we have a pro subscription to WeVideo. If you are toggled between anything about selecting a program or a free trial, make sure you reach out to us so we can get you connected to your free account. When I'm on my main webpage, once I've logged in, make sure you log in with Google, I'll go ahead and click recording. This is going to give me the option to record my webcam, my screen, or both. In this case, I'm going to show you screen and webcam because they work all exactly the same. I'll click next, and it's going to come up with a preview of my webcam. You can see me in my dining room. I have my integrated webcam, that's the webcam from within my computer, and the default microphone selected. Now in this case, I have to choose what I'm going to share. My entire screen means everything that I see on my screen, you will see, the recording will see. The other option is I could select a specific application, or I could choose a Chrome tab. So if I had a specific tab that I wanted to share, that's another option as well. In this case, I'm going to do my entire screen. I'll select it and press share. All right, I get my countdown. I can hide this bar if I want to. And maybe I need to show Pear Deck and show how you get logged in or a specific feature that I want my learners to work with. That's totally fine. My recording is all done and I am just going to press stop sharing. I can now preview and I can say, oh, all right, I like my preview, I like what I see on the screen and the webcam, I'm going to keep it. Maybe you said, oh my gosh, this isn't what I wanted it to look like, I need to start again. Then go ahead, you can click the record again button. Maybe you just made a tiny blip that you want to edit out. That's fine too, and we can help you with editing features. There's a great tutorial on itf.d45.org that shows you basic editing features on WeVideo, so be sure to check that out. For right now, I'll go ahead and click save. And this is going to be loaded into my media library. My media is media that I have collected. Once it's done uploading, and it could take a minute or two, remember there's a lot of data that was just collected from both your webcam and your screen. It'll pop up directly in Video 1 and Video 2. I am going to take a moment to name this video, and when I click on my video at the top, I will just rename it. We'll call it Screen Web Example. I can name it now, I can name it later, it doesn't matter. Now, WeVideo works in layers from the bottom up. So WeVideo 1 is your background layer. Then WeVideo 2 is your front layer, and you can add more and more layers if you needed to. In this case, for a simple video, I've got my screen in the background and my face in the front. If I double click on the video, it takes me to this editing page. Now you can see that I've got the brackets here. I can move this video. Maybe all of the action is in the top right corner of my screen. I could also make my video smaller, or I could make it bigger. It's whatever works. And look at that lovely glimpse of my blinking face. So I'm going to leave mine right up here on the top left so my class can see my face and see all of the information on the screen at the same time. Down here, you'll see this blue Save Changes button. Sometimes it gets hidden, so make sure you look for it. There are lots of other editing features that you can explore. Again, check out that video on our website. If I wanted to preview my video, I can use this bar to preview and see what. You can see I moved everything up here. So I like my video and I'm ready to go ahead and publish. I'm going to click the finish button on the top right side. You can see my name, the title that I gave this video is here. I have a thumbnail preview. I like this one, at least my face looks okay. I'll go ahead and make sure that I'm exporting both video and audio. Now, here are your destinations. You might have different options. Mine will be available on WeVideo. I can also drop it in my Google Drive, and we'll go ahead and export. Now, the good news is you don't have to sit here and wait for this to export. They're usually done within a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending how long the video is. A 15-second video will be ready in no time. If you recorded 45 minutes or an hour, it might take a little bit more time to buffer and upload. You will get an email that will notify you of its completion. I hope that this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please do reach out to us. Take care.